Welcome to Hotel Xcaret Mexico, a one-of-a-kind all-inclusive resort that redefines luxury as all fun inclusive. That means not only your stay, but also unlimited access to all the Xcaret Parks, and round-trip transportation from the airport and to every park is included. No hassle, just pure adventure waiting at your doorstep. The resort itself is a masterpiece of eco-integrated design. That means not only your stay, but also unlimited access to all the Xcaret Parks. The resort itself is a masterpiece of eco-integrated design, with suites featuring river views, oceanfront settings, and even swim-up access. With more than 10 restaurants and bars, Hotel Xcaret is a culinary journey across the globe. From the Michelin-starred Xel-Há restaurant, led by celebrity chef Carlos Gaitan, to authentic Mexican street food corners, every bite is unforgettable. Don't miss their unique ceviches, cacao-inspired dishes, and fresh tropical creations you'll only find here. Inside the resort, there's more than just dining and lounging. Secret slides hidden within the hotel will surprise kids and adults alike. Guests can also enjoy yoga, art workshops, cooking classes, and cultural performances that make your stay both fun and enriching. As part of your stay, you have full access to the world-famous Xcaret Parks. Xcaret Park, Mexico's cultural heart, with underground rivers, traditional shows, and wildlife. Xel-Há, a natural water park perfect for snorkeling and lazy rivers. Xplor Fuego, thrill seekers will love the zip lines, amphibious vehicles, and nighttime adventures. Xenses, a sensory park that will play with your imagination. Xavage, extreme activities like whitewater rafting and monster trucks. Xoximilco, a floating fiesta with food, mariachi, and dancing under the stars. Hotel Xcaret is more than a resort. It's a gateway to culture, nature, cuisine, and adventure. Whether you're relaxing in luxury, exploring hidden slides, or discovering Mexico through its parks, this experience is unlike any other. Book your escape today and unlock the magic of Xcaret.